Why, hello everybody. Welcome back to my 8th grade Math SOL review videos. We have another technology enhanced question with a set of gray directions at the top of the screen, and these gray directions are very key when you're doing these kinds of questions. It's key to read these directions. It says to click on all the correct answers. So there may be more than one answer when we're solving this problem. So make sure we choose all correct answers. So the directions for this one say identify each three-dimensional figure that could be represented by these three views. And again, it's saying each, so that's another cue or clue to you to indicate that there might be more than one of these below that is represented by these three different views. So we have to literally look at each individual and see if it from the front, right side, and top view would suit or match these different views. So I look at the very first one, and it looks good from the beige kind of viewpoint if you're standing over on this side. So we have 2 here, we have 3 stacked here, we have 2 here. So that checks off. But when we look at it from the pink side, there should only be one level in the middle, and this one has 2 levels in the middle. So this one fails to match these different viewpoints. This second one here looks good from the beige viewpoint. We have a height of 2 here, we have a height of 3 here, and then a height of 2 here, so that's good, 2, 3, and 2. From the pink viewpoint, we need 2, 1, and 3, and we have a 2 stacker here, and then a single, and then a 3, so that looks good. And then if we look at it from the very top, we have browns covered on top of every single one except for this spot right here, which matches this. So this one definitely would be one of the answers. All right, continuing our way across, I can immediately see something wrong with this one. I'm looking at the top view, and the top view only has one missing right here, and this one has one missing right there. I mean, you should have a brown one right here, but we should also have one back on this side that's brown right here, and we don't in this diagram. We should have one according to this top view, though. So we need to cross this one out because it fails our test. All right, working our way across, this one looks pretty good, except it fails the beige test. We need a height of 2, then a height of 3, then a height of 2 when we're looking at it from the front. We have the height of 2, we have the height of 3, but from this viewpoint we only have a height of 1. So we needed the height of 2 when we're looking at it from the beige side, from the front view. So I'm going to cross that one off my list too. That one did not match my viewpoints. All right, working our way to the fifth possible choice here. Looks really good from the viewpoint from the front. All the beige viewpoint angles look good. What's problem though is the pink viewpoint, the right side. This should have 2 stacked here. We should have like a pink one right here, and the color pink right here. Because we need 2, then 1, and then 3. 2, 1, and 3. And this is missing right here. So I'm going to cross that one off our list. So far we only have one that seems to be matching our criteria. Let's take a look at this very last one. So from the beige side point, we have the 2, we have the 3 stacked up, and then we have the 2. That matches. From the right side, the pink side, we have the 2, we have the 1, and the 3, so that matches. And then from the top view, we have all brown tops, except for this little notch right here, which it should not have any brown in there because it's missing brown right here. So here would be a match. So we have 2 three-dimensional figures that match these different 3 viewpoints. All right. Make sure when you're doing these kinds of questions, everybody, that you carefully read the directions looking for all possible answers. Don't just stop when you find one. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.